As you can see, my front bumper cover came off, and I decided to do that because, you know, the bumper cover itself was a little mangled, so I just wanted to see if this car was in a major accident, and so I wanted to check if everything is straight, if there are no head job repairs here, and I was happy to find that overall everything looks pretty clean. I don't see any spliced wires or anything like that. All clips, nuts and bolts, everything is in place where it should be. So I'm gonna leave it off for now because it might help me access everything underneath here when I go to change my cooling system. But just to give you a quick rundown of how this bumper cover is removed, first you have to start with taking off the headlights, which is held by 4 screws, one here, and one here, and one here, so you'll need extensions to get that done. Then you have about, you have 8 clips here, and you have 3 screws underneath on each side. So once both headlights are out, clips are gone, and the screws are undone, the bumper is just held on these little guys, and basically it just slides right out. It's a pretty straightforward job. Probably took me maybe 20 minutes, but yeah. And now you will see a little montage of me do the actual job.